Good morning, second PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Definition, some introduction. Second exercise, line, equation of a line. So, what the first one? The equation of a line passing through the point and parallel to the vector. And the equation of a line passing through the 2 points. What are they? R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda into B bar minus A bar. The equation of a line passing through the point and parallel to the vector R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda into B bar. Okay. Third one, angle between the two vectors cos theta equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Okay, next to shortest distance. Next one, distance between the parallel lines. Distance between the parallel lines. Next one, okay, distance between the parallel lines. Or shortest distance. Distance between the parallel lines are shortest distance between the parallel lines. Okay. Find the distance between the distance between the lines L1, the distance between the lines R bar is equal to A1 bar plus lambda B bar, and R bar is equal to A2 bar plus lambda B bar. So parallel lines means same B bar, not B1 and B2. Okay, both. The distance between the two lines, these two lines, parallel lines, given by B is equal to mod B bar cross A2 bar minus A1 bar, A2 bar minus A1 bar by mod B bar. This one here actually B1 cross B2. So here B1 equal to B2 because of these two lines are parallel lines. Okay, clear? This is the distance between the two parallel lines. And second one is note, very important note. Two lines with direction ratios. Two lines with direction ratios A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2, A2, B2, C2 are ARER. First one, perpendicular. Perpendicular means implies perpendicular. These two lines, the direction ratios of two lines are perpendicular. So formula A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. So parallel. These two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel if and only if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So now angle between the two lines, cos theta is equal to mod a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Okay, next one, note number 1. Next, note number 2. Two lines with the direction cosines. Two lines with the direction cosines L1 comma M1 comma N1 and L2 M2 N2 are these are lines, but which type of lines? Direction ratios of line. This is the direction cosines of lines. Okay, clear? So first one is perpendicular. These two lines are perpendicular. These two lines are perpendicular implies same L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equal to 0. Show that, for example, problem. Which type of problem? Show that the direction ratios of two lines are perpendicular. Show that. So apply first line taken a1 b1 c1, a2 second line a2 b2 c2. Apply the condition a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. That value equal to 0 means the two lines are perpendicular. So a1 by a2 b1, these three values, these three ratios are equal means these two lines are parallel. Okay, perpendicular. Next second one is parallel. Same L1 by L2 is equal to M1 by M2 is equal to N1 by N2. Third one, the angle between the two lines. The angle between the two lines. The angle between the two lines, cos theta is equal to formula mod L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. Direct by, there is no by root of L1 square plus M1 square plus 1 because of direction cosines. These are direction cosines. Direction cosines, what is the condition? Relation between the direction cosines. L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. So root 1 into root 1 equal to 1. So this is okay. So next one, these are today three formulas are there. Next one, so now exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2. The totally the line and plane totally at 11.2 and 11.3 both exercises are totally depending on the each and every one formula. So first one, show that three lines with the direction cosines are mutually perpendicular. First problem, given L1 M1 N1 is equal to 12 by 13 minus 3 by 13 minus 4 by 13. Next, second line, L2 M2 N2 is equal to 4 by 13, 12 by 13, 3 by 13. Next, third one, L3 M3 N3 is equal to 3 by 13 minus 4 by 13, 12 by 13. The three lines are direction cosines of lines are given. So what we have to prove that show that these three lines are mutually perpendicular. These three lines are mutually perpendicular line means what is the perpendicular cosines formula? L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equal to 0. So first one L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2, first two. Okay, so L1 12 by 13 into L1 L2 4 by 13 plus minus 3 by 13 into 12 by 13 plus minus 4 by 13 into 3 by 13. So that is equal to 12 into 4, 48 by 13 into 13. 13 into 13 is equal to what? 169 minus 36 by 169. 12 into 3, 36 minus 4 into 3, minus 12 by 169. So here 169 LCM. 169 LCM, 48 minus 36 minus 12 equal to 0. 0 by 169 equal to 0. So therefore L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equal to 0. So for example, the equation number 1, the equation number 2. Hence the lines 1 and 2 are perpendicular. Similarly we have to do next to L1 L3 plus M1 M3 plus N1 N3 is also have to prove 0. Next to 1 2 1 3 2 3 L2 L3 plus M2 M3 plus N2 N3 is also we have to prove 0. You can do it. Okay, homework. These three are homework. So second one is show that the line passing through the point is perpendicular to the points. So here directly lines are given. In the second problem, points, position vector or points are given. So first given same concept is same, perpendicular lines. Both these two lines are perpendicular line. 2 points is nothing but one line. So A is equal to 1 minus 1 2 B 3 4 minus 2 C minus 1 minus 2 1 D 1 2 5 oh sorry 1 minus 1 2 3 4 minus 2 0 3 2 0 3 2 0 3 2 3 5 6 3 5 6 AB is a one line and CD is another line. The AB and CD both lines are perpendicular. Show that AB and CD, these two lines are perpendicular. So we have to prove perpendicular. So first of all, this is x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2. So the direction ratios of AB, the direction ratios of AB formula x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1. These points is nothing but x1 y1 z1. Ratios is nothing but a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. Cosines are l1 m1 n1. So what is the data? The first problem, the given data is direction cosine. The second problem is the given data is only points. Okay. So formula, this is AB, x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, 4 minus of minus 1, 5, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, this is A1, B1, C1. Next, the direction ratios of AB, CD is equal to, this is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, same formula, x2 minus x1, so x2 3 minus x1 3, y2 minus y1 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, z2 minus z1 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, this is A2, B2, C2. Okay, clear? A1, B1, A2, B2 is there. Now A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to A1. Here A1 is equal to 2, A2 3, 2 into 3 plus B1, B2 5 into 2, 5 into 2 plus minus 4 into 4, minus 4 into 4. That is equal to 6 plus 10 minus 16. So that is equal to 0. Hence, AB and CD are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. A simple question and important question. Perpendicular to each other. Next, third problem also same procedure. Third problem, same A, B, C, D 4 points are there. So here not perpendicular, parallel. So A, B, C, D, show that A, B, C, D both lines are parallel. What is the formula of parallel? A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Okay, parallel, same as did first the 2 points are AB, second 2 points are CD, the direction ratios of AB, the direction ratios of CD. So A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, B2 are get total values. So here the condition will be changed, but here perpendicular means A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. So parallel means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Next, third question, homework. Next, fourth question, very important fourth question. Find the equation of line passing through the point. Find the equation of a line which passing through the point 1, 2, 3 and is the parallel vector. So, given point, for example A equal to 1, 2, 3. So the position vector of the point, the position vector of A is OA bar. So the point is converted into the position vector. How to convert? This is 1i plus 2j plus 3k. Okay. So next, given vector, given parallel vector, B bar is equal to 3i plus 2j minus 2k. So this is A bar. Okay, the equation of the first formula, yesterday first formula, what is the first equation of a line? The equation of a line passing through the point and parallel to the vector. Passing through the point is taken A bar and the point is converted into position vector. The position vector, let it be A bar. So parallel vector B bar. So the equation of a vector. Okay, the equation of line which passing through the point parallel. So the equation of vector The equation of vector is formula r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. So r bar is equal, what is a bar? I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda into b bar 3i plus 2j minus 2k, where lambda is a parameter. Where lambda is a parameter. Next, fifth one. Find the equation of a vector. Find the equation of a in vector and Cartesian form. Vector and Cartesian form both. Vector and Cartesian form. Vector and Cartesian form passing through the vector and Cartesian form passing through the point whose position vector okay. Find the equation of a line in the vector and Cartesian form. Vector and Cartesian form passing through the point with the position vector. With the position vector given, position vector nothing but point, passing through the point. Passing through the point is nothing but position vector. Given position vector. Given position vector a bar is equal to 2i, fifth problem, 2i minus j plus 4k. So position vector of a means OA. A is equal to, the point is converted into a point. For example, 2 comma minus 1 comma 4, x1 y1 z1. Okay, position vector, the position vector is converted into point. Okay, the position vector is converted into vector, position vector converted into point, point is converted into position vector and position vector, and in the direction b bar is equal to given vector b bar is equal to I plus 2j minus k, I plus 2j minus k. So first one, both vector and Cartesian form. First vector form. Vector form formula r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar. So r bar is equal to a bar is equal to 2i minus j plus 4k plus lambda into b bar is equal to I plus 2j minus k. Next Cartesian form. What is the Cartesian form formula? X minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. So the position vector is nothing but point, and the parallel vector is nothing but is a direction ratio. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 1. This is the not position vector, normal parallel vector. Any vector is nothing but the direction ratios. A, B, C, the coefficients are the direction ratios. Position vector is nothing but point. So x minus x1, x minus here x1 2 by a 1, that is equal to y minus y1, y minus of minus 1 plus 1 by b2. So that is equal to z minus z1, z1 is equal to 4 by c is equal to minus 1. So this is the vector form and Cartesian form. Very important 2 marks question. Okay. So once only one point is there. Some problems are directly given clearly. This is passing through the point. The fourth problem is passing through the point and parallel to the vector is clear. So in the fifth problem, Find the equation of the line and vector and Cartesian form passing through the position vector. Actually passing through the point. Okay, passing through the position vector means position vector is nothing but point. So position vector we convert into point coefficient 2 minus 1 4. So point is there and position vector is there. Point is used to in Cartesian form. Point is only used in the Cartesian form. So vector is only used in vector form. Cartesian form point. Okay, you want point. So vector form only vector. So in the fifth problem asking vector form and Cartesian form, compulsory the position vector is converted into point form. Next vector point converted into, we can write into ABC direction ratios. Okay, clear? This is the today class. Tomorrow go into the next problem, 6 to 7, 8 and some more problems are there.